Check it out. The latest in space technology.
What is it made of? Oh.
It's made out of pure spun
If you try and
sex.
shoot him in the chest, not even gonna work.
What they do is they take sex in its purest essence. No one has ever seen it. It's done by blind people who have another sense for sex. They take it.
Chris and George,
You can't even visualize it because it's hard to explain. And they weave it into a shirt that only someone from the Dangers can wear. Because that's how sexy this man really
You
is.
just saw it dancing around. They just smeared it with semen, and now it glitters with awesomeness.
Exactly.
It glitters
This is
with
George. Say hi to the
awesomeness
camera,
of
George.
billions
Say
of
hi.
potential life.
George, man.
Hey.
Yeah!
He's pretty like a girl.
He's a sexy bitch.
Speaking of sexy bitch, underage boys.
Sammy, if your guitar's cutting out, or
This boy's gone
you
wild.
string, or you do whatever,
We are the
or if like you're dying.
Yeah.
If you think like your connections are weird, you know, like if pedals get like weirdly connected, just point at them. I'll go stick them back in. Right?
Magically, they get fucked up while you're playing.
okay, band meeting, what?
Go on stage and play.
I decided Chris, come.
Hey, you don't mind the candle, boys. Don't mind the candle.
Hello, Fuck off, fucking Jews!
Shut the fuck up.
Friday, it's Shabbat.
Shabbat,
Oh, Shabbos, okay. Yeah, you have to go home for dinner, or?
Shut the fuck up. No, you're supposed to start college.
That's alright, on weekend. What did you want to
Hands.
Yeah, what are we, fucking a soccer
We're a team.
We're a soccer team?
Yeah.
Hey! How about we jerk each other off in the fucking bathroom?
That's a better idea.
Let's play swords.
Yeah, baby.
On guard.
This is kind of gay with only me and Levi doing it. Get everyone.
Jesus Christ, man.
Get in here, man. Come on, Dave.
Yeah, I'm not part of the Dangers.
Doesn't matter.
Everybody's part of the Dangers in spirit.
Let's go.
Dave, that's pretty homosexual right there.
We sing on 3.
Pussy?
Pussy, let's get drunk.
I got a fever, and the only prescription is more cowbell!
Yeah!
I'm keeping that take. Yes,
Go!